Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best drawing tablets for artists of all skill levels. Whether you're just starting your artistic journey or you're a seasoned pro, finding the perfect drawing tablet is crucial for unlocking your creative potential. But the search can be overwhelming, right? There are so many types to consider. Pen displays with built-in screens, traditional pen tablets that pair with your monitor, or versatile all-in-one options like an iPad. Over the past 3 months, we've rigorously tested over 60 drawing tablets to bring you the definitive list of the top 5. We'll dive into the key features of each, helping you understand what sets them apart. Plus, we'll share essential tips on what factors to consider when making your choice, ensuring you pick the tablet that best fits your artistic needs. And remember, for easy access to any of the tablets we mention, check out the links in the video description below. Let's get started and find the perfect drawing tablet to unleash your creativity. Number 6. One by Wacom. Are you an aspiring artist on a budget, searching for a quality drawing tablet that won't break the bank? Look no further than the One by Wacom. This gem redefines affordability without compromising on the essentials. Sure, it skips the fancy bells and whistles like shortcut buttons and wireless connectivity found in pricier models. And yes, it might not boast the highest numbers of pressure sensitivity levels. But here's the deal. You're getting a tablet that still shines with top-notch build quality, wrapped in a sleek, portable design, all at a wallet-friendly price. Now, let's talk about the trade-offs. The absence of Bluetooth and extra shortcut buttons could be a deal-breaker for some. But if these features don't top your priority list, then the One by Wacom is a perfect match for your artistic endeavors. It's a testament to the idea that sometimes less is more, especially when it means more savings for you. So if you're ready to start your creative journey without splurging, the One by Wacom is waiting for you. Number 5. Gaomon PD1560. Step into the world of digital art with the Gaomon PD1560, a tablet that's making waves with its stunning 15.6-inch display, boasting a crisp 1920 by 1080p resolution. It's a contender that could give Wacom a run for its money, but let's get real, where it really shines is in its showdown with our top pick from XP Pen. Here's where the Gaomon PD1560 stands out. Its color gamma accuracy hits an impressive 72%, paired with a staggering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from its active pen. These features alone put it in the same league as the Artist 12, but it doesn't stop there. What sets the PD1560 apart is its array of 10 assignable function keys, all conveniently placed along the left edge. That's more than what the Artist 12 offers, giving you an extra edge in customization. In conclusion, the Gaomon PD1560 is an exceptional tool for digital artists, marrying impressive pen specs with a vibrant display. It's a statement piece both in performance and presence. For those willing to invest in their artistic setup, this tablet could be a game changer. Number 4. Wacom Cintiq 22. Welcome to the digital art revolution, where the Wacom Cintiq stands tall as a beacon of innovation and artistic freedom. Wacom, a titan of the digital art world, has been setting the bar high, and the Cintiq model is no exception. It's a dream come true for artists seeking a perfect blend of value, size, design, and top-tier features, standing as the best all-round choice in its category. The Cintiq isn't just a drawing tablet, it's a full-fledged canvas for your creativity. With its competitive pricing, it's thrown down the gauntlet in the realm of size and HD resolution. Sure, there might be other tablets and laptops nudging slightly ahead in graphics, but the Cintiq's generous 22-inch panel offers a vast playground for detailed work and fluid user experience. Even its smaller 15.6-inch version dwarfs many rivals in size and quality. In summary, the Wacom Cintiq is a triumph in the world of digital art. It's not just a tablet, it's a gateway to unleashing your creative potential, wrapped in a package that's both accessible and advanced. Whether you're doodling for fun or creating professional masterpieces, the Cintiq is your canvas to paint a brighter, more vibrant world. Reasons to buy? The great drawing experience, the excellent stylus, strong yet sleek design. Number 3. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M2. Get ready to be blown away by the iPad Pro, the ultimate fusion of powerhouse performance and artistic prowess. If you're not just in the market for the best drawing tablet, but want the best tablet period, then the 12.9-inch M2 iPad Pro is your undisputed champion. This isn't just leading the pack, it's in a league of its own, so much so that it's almost unfair on the competition. In our review, we hailed it as arguably the world's most flexible creative tool, and that's no understatement. This marvel is powered by Apple's lightning-fast M2 chip, delivering performance so stunning it has to be experienced to be believed. But the magic doesn't stop there. Feast your eyes on its mini LED XDR display, boasting extraordinary brightness and local dimming for contrast that is to be seen to be believed. However, let's not lose sight of the bigger picture. The iPad Pro isn't just one of the best tablets on the market right now, it's a phenomenal tool for drawing. Its versatility and sheer capability make it a top contender for anyone looking to merge their digital art and tech world seamlessly. In short, if you're after the best of the best and ready to invest, the iPad Pro is waiting to redefine your creative journey. Reasons to buy? Unbeatable processing power, Apple Pencil 2 support, new ultra-powerful display. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 12. Dive into the world of digital art with the second-generation XP Pen Artist 12, the ideal choice for those seeking an affordable yet feature-packed display tablet. Whether you're sketching your next masterpiece or editing with precision, this tablet is designed to cater to your creative needs without breaking the bank. The star of the show is the X3 Elite Stylus, a marvel in its own right. It brings to the table 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, now a gold standard in the world of drawing tablets. Add to that 60 degrees of tilt recognition, and you have a tool in your hands that mimics real brushstrokes with remarkable fidelity. The stylus also features 2 programmable buttons, perfect for swiftly toggling between tools and erasers in your favorite software, streamlining your creative process. In summary, the second-gen XP Pen Artist 12 is more than just a drawing tablet. It's a gateway to exploring digital art. With its user-friendly features, stylish design, and affordability, it's an inviting option for beginners and seasoned artists alike who are looking for a reliable, everyday creative companion. Number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro. A true masterpiece in the realm of drawing tablets. Wacom, with its rich legacy of crafting exceptional tablets, presents the Intuos Pro, a shining beacon of excellence in this arena. This tablet isn't just another device, it's a sophisticated accessory designed to elevate your creative experience on both Mac and Windows computers. The Intuos Pro comes in 3 sizes, catering to every artist's preferences. Whether you're on the go and need something compact, or you crave a larger canvas for your digital creations, there's an Intuos Pro just for you. Its standout feature is the staggering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, transforming your strokes from mere lines to expressions of sheer precision and nuance. Every line, every shade is yours to control with an exquisite level of detail. Now let's crown it. The Wacom Intuos Pro is, without a doubt, the best drawing tablet on the market today. It's a title it earns not just through its features, but through its performance. Sure, you might notice some Bluetooth connectivity hiccups, but switch to a USB connection and it's smooth sailing. And yes, the pen, a marvel of technology in itself, might feel a bit large at first, but give it a little time. In essence, the Wacom Intuos Pro isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to a world where your art can flourish and evolve, where precision meets comfort, and where your creative vision knows no bounds. If you're looking for the ultimate drawing tablet, look no further. The Wacom Intuos Pro is here, and it's number 1 for a reason. The specifications? The size is a small 7-inch active area, or a medium 10-inch active area, or the large 12-inch active area. It has 8,192 pressure levels. The connectivity is Bluetooth 4.2 LE or USB, and is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. So the pros? Its large surface, very precise, and good pressure sensitivity. Share in the comments which drawing tablet suits you best and your reasons. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was of help, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content, subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next video.